Right, so I'm currently in the woods right next to the racetrack. It's just there. And today I've been here for quite a while now. It's now 5 to 2. I've been here since about just after 10 probably. And yeah, I've gone from the pits and I've worked my way up. And yeah, it's pretty decent. I've got videos from the pits, videos from like the whole way up the track. I've hopefully got some GoPro footage from people, hopefully. And I'm now doing this bit. I've got some photos. I'll throw them on the screen now.